going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Little beads of sweat coming off the brows. It is hot today. It's close to 1,000 degrees, I think. I think peak today was 115 degrees here in California. But today we're just going to be working on replacing these with something a little bit more modern looking, which is these. These are the GTR lighting LEDs. They're basically a TRD Pro replica, I would say. Pretty close to the real thing. We'll see how that turns out once they're on the truck. Should be a pretty straightforward install. Just got to pull this off. It's a few screws and bolts that you need to take off here. I think there's one down here somewhere, and then one more right here behind the bumper. First things first, I'm just going to remove this front grille. There's just a few little tabs and some 10 millimeters, I think, that are holding it in. Pop it off now. Remember to disconnect your TSS sensor. So from here, there's some tabs you need to remove. Basically, you just want to be able to pull the bumper away, just because there's a bolt right behind the bumper on the right and left side. These are the tabs. So this should just pop off like so. So all you're going to do here is remove the 10 mil bolt here. There might be another one here. I don't remember because I have a Viper cut. Let me show you guys. So you're going to remove this 10 mil, the other one that's down here. From there, you're either going to take a screwdriver or a pry, like a plastic pry, or put tape around your screwdriver, push that in there, pop this out. Or you can go in here. Let me show you from the bottom. It's easier. There's a little tab in there. I don't know if you can see it. It might be too dark, but I don't know if you can see that little orange tab right there. You're just gonna push that in with your finger, and you should be good. Ooh, that was a pain to take off, man. So you don't need to pull this all the way down. Just pull it enough to be able to pull that 10 out right there. That 10 millimeter right there. Just gotta pull that out, and then you should be able to just start unbolting these lights. So after you take out that 10 mil that's down there, there's two more, one here, one here, and then from there you should be able to just pop the headlight off. So go ahead and just take off your light, and then repeat for the other side. We're gonna go ahead and take off the trim bezel on the old one and slap them on the new ones, and then we'll get to putting them back in. So as you can see, I took the bezels off here and threw them onto the new headlights. It's just two screws. Pretty straightforward. From here, it should be straight plug and play. Attach this to that, wire it up, and then everything should be wired how it should be. If you don't have DRLs already, there's another set of wiring that you need to do, but I don't have to do that since I already had DRLs. It should all be plug and play. I'm just gonna put it all in, wire it up, and then I'll get back to you guys once that's finished. So everything is plugged in now and wired up. It should all be working. I didn't test it, but I'm pretty confident that I wired it correctly. So yeah, I'm just gonna run through all of the lighting settings and show you guys what's up. So that concludes my GTR lighting headlight install video. I hope it helped you guys out. These are kind of sick for almost half the price, I think, of the TRD Pro, the actual Toyota TRD Pro headlights. That's pretty good. I think these come in at about 500 to 600 depending on where you buy them. Shout out to Square One Offroad for getting these to me quick. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, hit me up in the comment section. I'll get back to you when I can. If you guys like these headlights, like this video, hit that like button, and if you guys haven't already and want to see more of this stuff, hit that subscription button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.